Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Arceus X version 3 mod menu for Roblox. So as you can see guys, we have a ton of settings. So this works on iPhone and Android. Just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super crazy guys, because you can actually get a ton of settings with this mod. It's super awesome guys, and you can literally go ahead and get so many settings. I mean, it is crazy. As you guys can see here, I have a ton of options, and this will allow you to dominate any Roblox game you play guys, because the settings you have are features that are not available to any other player in the game unless they're also using the mod. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It's super crazy and I can't even believe it actually works. So if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, go to general, and make sure background app refresh is on. This can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It really doesn't matter, but make sure it's turned on. If it is set to off, this is not going to work. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So the next thing we're going to do is go over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. So let me just go down here. Now you're going to know the low power mode is turned on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure the low power mode is turned off. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So all we have to do now is go to App Store and make sure the automatic downloads is turned on. Now this should be on by default, but if for some reason guys it's turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that guys, all you have to do is go to this amazing website. This site has a bunch of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this page guys, go to the search bar and type in Arceus X. Alright, so basically guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install and just wait until the bar reaches then it's going to download straight onto your device. So let's just let it load here as you guys can see. So I'm just going to give it a minute. Now obviously it's already on my device, but I'm going to walk you through the download process on how to do it. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load here as you guys can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. Alright, so yeah, this is really easy guys. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. Obviously I've already got it, but for you guys it should download right about now, so be sure to go ahead and try it out. This is awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.